Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku. Actually, it's a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one in today's newspaper, in today's newspaper of Thursday, May the 2nd, 2024. And in this additional, I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. And it's now time for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku. This will be number 8472. 8472. Let me zoom this. Zoom. 8472. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box and there single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, oh, here we have also a dual box. Same situation, 1 and 2. Insufficient information right now, so I need to mark those boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 2 and the 3 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, it can be a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. Alright, next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes. Well, only 1. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need more information right now. Insufficient information. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape. It's rotated, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. We have more of these kind of shapes. Let me check. No, only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Now, let me see. Let me see. Well, these two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, and this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 4. Those two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then. These two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Okay. That means that this box cannot be 1 or a 5. If I place a 1 here or a 5 here, I cannot fill any 1 or any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, let me mark those 2 and the 3. Alright, then, let me see, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. This box can also not be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright, then. 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and 5, 3 and 5. I need a 3 in this area. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 5. Okay. Let me think. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me go up. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 and 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes and there. These two boxes can be 2, these two boxes can be 3, so the 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes and there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Well, we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 2. Then this box can be a 1, can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. 2 and 3. Let me think. Alright. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2. We have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes in there. Yeah. Think. These 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, let me think. Well. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Need to think. Come on. I think this box. Oh wait, 1 and a 5, we already have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Overlooked. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Okay, mark those two boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here we have a 2 and 3 also. Then this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this course area supposed to be here. I think this box should be 2, because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then this box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. I need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1... and this box can also not be a 1. So the only place left for 1 in this course area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. Well. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Right. Then. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Complicated. Need a 3, need a 4 here. 2 and a 3, okay. Let me think. 2, 3. I think. 1. I think this box should be a 2, because it could be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left of the 2 in this quadrant box should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4 is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. Okay, mark those two boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Here, I need a 3 here. No. I need a 5 here. Yeah, I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Okay. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there, so 1 box left in this area for number 2, 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be so 3, so 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4, 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then we go down. Here, 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 5 are missing. 1 and the 5. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box, should be so 1 and the 5. Then, let me see. Let me see. 3. Come on. 1, 5, 3. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here also. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Overlooked this 2. 1 or a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright, so 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 3 are missing. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and a 1. That box will be 3. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box will be a 3, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Wow. Having troubles, but we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Friday, the first Friday of the month, we have always a speed test without comments, without instructions. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.